What up, everybody? I'm back, the Munchie Chef, with another video. Easy, good, delicious video. I'm back. It's sorry, Robert.
Shut up!
You trying to do a video?
Did you not hear the 3, 2, 1? Ryan, go.
I need toilet paper.
What up, everybody? The Munchie Chef. I'm back with another video. We're gonna make easy, green, creamy green enchiladas. They're super bomb, super easy to make. All you need is some cream of mushroom, mozzarella cheese, queso fresco. I normally get it from the Mexican store, but we use at Walmart. Just got the cheap stuff. Tortillas. These are not my favorite, Guerrero, but for the enchiladas, they are good. And some jalapeños. We're gonna boil these jalapeños and some serranos. And your, come this way, chicken. The best thing is get some rotisserie chicken, but we slow cook this all day. It's gonna be more delicious, but if you just get the rotisserie chicken from wherever they sell rotisserie chicken, it's just as good. Just shred it and that's it. I've had this water running for a while. It's boiling. Don't forget to rinse your chiles. Best thing is take the stems off, and we're gonna use about maybe 3, 4 jalapeños and about 4 serranos. So a little bit harder, and that's it. We're gonna boil those. While we boil that, we're gonna shred the chicken. You can add, if you want, like some salt to your water. Just give it a little more flavor, I guess. Or I have this also, some seasoning salt, all-purpose seasoning salt, basically. You can add some of that if you want to. It's not coming out good. Because you can throw some of that water in with when you blend it. You can need your blender as well. Blender. So meanwhile, we're gonna open up these. I don't even know how to use this thing. Never mind. I guess I do. I don't know how to use this freaking can opener, guys. Can opener. Let's figure this out. We're gonna figure this out together.
A few moments later.
Not working? Come be in my video. Huh? It hasn't worked? Why did you not say this earlier? So what are we supposed to use? Where's that at? Sorry for the technical difficulties. I guess my wife didn't want to tell me that can opener doesn't even work. This can opener doesn't even work either. Because we bought that one, because this one, see how it I mean, it works, but it doesn't work the greatest. There is a baby in the house, yes. She wants to be in the video. We're making this on Monday, Football Monday. Football just started this week. My Packers lost, but it's all good. Jordan Love's out for the next 3 to 6 weeks, but it's all good. I still have faith in my team. We'll see what happens as the season goes on. Okay, so all you're gonna do is get this cream of mushroom. And dump it in here. The more sauce you use, the better. The jalapeños you're gonna add as much as you want, as spicy as you want it. We eat pretty spicy here, so we don't care. But sometimes, before the kids when they were younger, we'd get them. We'd make one with basically just the cream of mushroom only, because they didn't eat chile. But now, as we're getting older, they eat chile. And normally we use like 2 of these cans. These cans are 22.6 ounces. We normally use 2, but it runs out pretty quick, so it all depends on how many people you're feeding. We're feeding quite a bit here today. Quite a bit of mouths. You will make a mess. We slow cook this chicken all day for about 7 hours. You guys can do this if you want. You just add some onions and some bay leaves and I don't know what else. My wife did this for this one today, so I couldn't tell you exactly what she did, but garlic probably. Whatever way you want to do your chicken, do it. But like I said, honestly, like if it's something we're trying to do really quick, we just get one from the rotisserie one from like Costco or Sam's, wherever it is. There's more chicken here, but we're gonna just do this for now. You get some forks when it's hot and you just shred away. This is the fastest way to do it when it's super hot, people. It shreds very easy. Look at that. You see how easy it is? If you let it cool, it's a little bit harder, but it's still doable. If there's certain foods you guys want me to try to make on video, put it in the comments. I'm willing to try different stuff. Right now I'm just showing you what I know how to make. And sometimes it's good food, like good meals, like the full meal. Sometimes it's just a snack, some munchies, you know, the munchie chef. Something to just munch on when you're hungry or got the munchies or whatever, you know. Okay, so those chiles look like they're done. Once they change colors, they're practically done, like this. This one's still a little bit greener. You see how they came from dark green to this light green? Dark, yeah, bright green, I guess you could say, to a dark green. They're basically done. I'm gonna put them in here, into our blender with our cream of mushroom. You can add whatever you want too. Sometimes I add a cream of chicken to it too. It just depends. You can even add some of this jalapeno juice to it. Add some of this to it. Add some of the chicken juice to it. This is stuff that you don't need to do, but I'm doing it because it's here. And I like to just mix things up. Blend away. Two blenders. I should have used my other one for this, but still delicious. It's still working. Oh yeah, look at that. It could use a little more chile, which I think I'm going to add a little more, but it's a good thing I have this water right here hot already. I'm probably going to add these other jalapenos. Maybe, yeah, all 3. Just so you guys aren't just sitting here waiting, I'm going to start frying the tortillas. Get your little frying pan. Get your frying oil. Let that get hot, and then we're gonna start frying the tortillas. Paper plates. We do use paper plates a lot here because we don't like to wash dishes. I know. I'm usually the cook around here. Wife helps me clean up around here. And then we make the kids clean it too and put it away. Tortillas, tortillas. Get a good stack. And be ready to fry them. Get my tortilla warmer. My pink tortilla warmer. My mama gave it to me. And I've had it for a long time. It's done me good. Make sure you always have your hands clean. Wash your hands. So I'll put this queso fresco in this bowl here. Bam. I don't have gloves. I think I'm out of gloves. My hands, I just wash my hands. But you want to just break up this cheese. Break it up. It crumbles real quick, real fast, real easy. I prefer you use gloves just because you don't have to wash your hands all the time. I'm just getting whatever I feel like clumps. Okay, so this oil's probably nice and hot. So now we're gonna start frying some tortillas. And this is quick, people. Just dunk them in here. It's just basically to soften them up. If you want to give them a flip, that's up to you. This is the ugly tortilla from the very top of the bunch, I guess you could say, the bag. You gotta leave them in there for like literally like 10-15 seconds or less. That's it. Like I said, I'm feeding a bunch of people here today, but we're just gonna make a few. Show you guys just how it's done so you can do it at home. Quick, fast, simple, and easy. Once again, people, my food is fattening and delicious, not healthy.
And we start our diets tomorrow.
We start some diets tomorrow to see who's the biggest loser. And we're all pitching in 25 bucks. Whoever loses the most weight, the biggest loser, wins all the money. And there's, I don't know how many of us are in it, but there's a few of us.
We're having our last supper.
Our last fattening supper until, I think it's, what, a month I think we're doing it for?
21 days.
21 day. 21 day challenge. Biggest loser. Okay, now that I got everything ready. I put the sauce in a bowl. Chicken, mozzarella cheese, queso fresco. Tortillas are already fried. Make sure your hands are clean. You're gonna grab your tortilla, put it in the sauce, put it on your plate, and you're gonna add some chicken, as much as you want. If you're trying to feed a lot, then don't do too much. Some queso fresco. Then you roll it up, light it up, smoke. Oh no, that's not it. Put it on the plate. You can actually do it double-sided if you want. Put some here, flip it here, and then you put it back on the plate. Chicken, queso, roll it. The only reason I don't sometimes do it double-sided is because I'm going to add the sauce to it anyway. More right now with my spoon, but for now I'll do it double-sided so you guys can see. And then see, when you get a lot of sauce on the plate, then you just leave it, because then you flip it, bam, you get more sauce there. You guys can do this whatever you want. Like you can put, see, I put the mozzarella on it after on top, or you can put it inside if you want to. It's up to you guys. It's super simple and easy to make. And that's it, y'all. Look, get some more sauce. You get the one right here on the plate. some more sauce and put it all over. Now the next thing you're gonna do, besides this cheese, put some of this mozzarella all over. And you see what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some mozzarella and some queso fresco on it. Voila! So if you have time and you want to take your sweet time doing this, you'd put this on a tray, throw it in the oven, let this melt. I'm gonna do it just quick so you guys can see. In the microwave. Let's put it in there for about, we'll put 2 minutes 22 seconds. But that's it, you guys. Simple, easy. It's not that hard. Sometimes these things are time consuming, but it's really not. Like I said, the chicken, you get it from the rotisserie chicken or whatever, wherever you go, shred it. Get this cheese, it's real fast to shred. You've seen how fast I did it. This is already shredded, unless you want to get your own block and shred it yourself. Tortillas, fried, fast. 15-20 seconds max with both sides, you know, or less. It depends how hot or how you want it. You don't really want it too hard. You want it to be soft so you can roll it up easy. The sauce, you just boil the chiles, throw them into the cream of mushroom, blend it. Voila, done. Quick, fast, simple. And it's super delicious. I promise you, everybody will love this. And like I said, kids, you got kids that don't eat chile, don't do any chile at all, or just put a little bit of chile into your cream of mushroom. Add some cream of chicken if you want. It's super quick, fast, delicious, and easy. It's almost done. So you need less, honestly, like maybe a minute and a half, because I put it for 2 minutes and a half. We're just gonna let it go the full 2 minutes. This is your finished product. Bomb. I got 6 enchiladas here. Look at the sauce, nice and saucy. Can be saucy inside, outside. Super hot. I'm actually afraid to take a bite, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it's bomb. Oh, it's super hot. Don't be like me. Let it sit, let it cool. But this is it, you guys. Look at this. Super delicious. Oh, I'm already ready to take another bite, but I better wait because it's too hot. It's super bomb, super easy. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Stay hungry, keep munching. God bless. Peace.
Okay, ready?
Wait,
3.
I still have to go walk back over there.
Do you need to come this way?
Right here.
Hurry, now. I do, she says. I do. My daughter's climbing around like a monkey trying to avoid the camera. She's trying to avoid the camera so she can cut open her little icicles, whatever you want to call them. Boilies.
Can y'all shut up?
Quiet, we're back on. Quiet on the set.
Patrick.
He needs to finish his story real quick.
Okay.
No, no.